Hello everyone, my name is Nimit Sawant and this is one of my first side projects that I wanted to just share with everyone. This project was long due. I just wanted to have one application where I can map all my assets, that is my investments, to some of the goals that I have in my life, right? And I just thought of like, hey, let's start maybe thinking about it a bit, and then I do like one pager on like what is to be included, what are some functionalities that I want to add to this application, and how can I use like different LLMs, be it on cloud or be it on prem, to keep all this financial data? Because one of the most important concerns is that when you're dealing with all of this financial data, you would want to keep it in your LLM, either on your either in an LLM which is running locally, or either you would want to keep somewhere on an LLM where it's not misusing your data, right? So all of these modes are available. This is an open source repository. You can clone it, and then you can start running your own LLM, and then you can start running your own application. The env.example has all the things that you can add. It is quite simple. You just have to go to Kite Zerodha, and you just have to create a developer application which will give you the credentials and everything. And then you can like bring your own Gemini key if you want to, or if you prefer to do it locally, you have Olama that you can connect it to, and then start tinkering around it. But let me give you like a very quick introduction and like a walkthrough of this application. So this is running on my local host at the moment. And yeah, as you can see, right now it's connected in demo mode. There are two modes available here: login with Kite and try demo mode. So I won't log in with Kite right now because it will show all my financial data. But try demo mode has almost everything that you would need. So in try demo mode, you could like add new goals that you would want to have. So for example, a new goal for me would be vacation in EU, for example. Let's just say 1.5 lakhs. And then like we'll just give it some deadline, 14/02/2026. And yeah, now you can just like add it as vacation EU, and you can see the bar filling in automatically. So here the holdings that you were seeing are basically getting populated through the get holdings call from guide. Obviously this is not this is not real data, but like it has some demo data that has been already fed. Now the other part is like how and where is all this data being stored. So if you log in through guide, all of the data which it's fetching to get holding, and then like assigned holdings would be like stored in your local storage in your browser. So yeah, definitely like there is no concern over like if this data is going somewhere else, etc. And then the one small feature that I really like about this is that I've created an export. So now that you have done all of your work, right, you have assigned the assets, etc. But you would want to come back and then like have the same set of things, right? Obviously, if you just open in the same browser, it will have all of that data. But if you just open it in some other browser, you can use the exported data and then just like quickly import it. So I'll just show you a simple example where if I am using export here, let me just log out. And I'm in a new browser, again in demo mode. I will just quickly click on import. I will import the data here, and let's just wait for a second. And as you can see, the data about vacation EU, new car, and dream house has been restored. So this is just one way of like saving that data on your local system. And then I think I'd like to talk about the most amazing feature of this application, that is the Gen AI suggestion. Let me just quickly set that up for you. So here we are back with the demo data again, and I'm going to use the Gen AI suggestions. So here you have three different modes: Gemini Cloud, which is using my Gemini key; local Olama, this is using, I'm assuming, Qwen 3. But you can like tweak accordingly whichever model you can run on your device. And then there is something Olama Button Cloud. This is a new offering from Olama where you can like get a host open source models on their cloud and then like directly access through your Olama inferencing. So yeah, I would be using Gemini Cloud for the moment. So I'll just do a start analysis. And I have written a really good prompt which is going to give all the information against all the goals you have plus all the assets you have, and then like it will also show you. So for example, Infi, high growth potential in IT sector, aligns long term, so they should be assigned to dream home. And so let's see for TCS, strong dividend yield and low volatility, make it a reliable asset for medium and long term, and that's why it should be assigned to new car. So all of this reasoning also it gives to you, and that's how it can share with you. Since I'm very conscious of the tokens that I use online, I have just kept a very small thing here that it will give you the input token and the output token, so that if you're using some other model, maybe Plot or maybe from OpenAI, you have that visibility of how many tokens have been used. So let's just accept all of this, and boom, all of these are now assigned. So this was like a short demo that I wanted to show. You can definitely go to the repo and then like just directly clone it. You'll just need the Kite API and the Gemini API. I think those are the two things which are needed. I am also thinking to like host this. But yeah, definitely this is. But I feel you guys can let me know if this is something, if there is a hosted version that you would like to see, because I am going to obviously update a lot of new features in this, and if there are new features that you might want to share. So yeah, thank you so much.